Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to put watermark on your videos so that nobody copies them and puts them in their channel. So you just have to download this KineMaster application, and here you'll see an option called layer. Okay, yeah, but before that, here you'll have to insert a video. Okay, so you can use this media option to insert any video over here, and now click on this layer, and here you will see an option called text. Okay, click on that, and here let's say I just want the watermark to be ATN Tech. Okay, yeah, so here you can see this is the text. So if I keep it like this or keep it somewhere over here, it's like the whatever is going on the background, it's not at all visible. So for that, here you can see an option called alpha. Okay, click on that, and here just decrease that so that whatever goes on the background is also visible. Okay, so you can just keep it like this, and now if I like um, say if I just go with this, okay, I haven't yet, just a second guys. So guys, you can see over here, this is the watermark is being seen. Over here you can see that whatever is going on the background, that is also visible. So if you want, you can also change the color of the like of the text or the watermark. You just click on that, and here you will see the colors. If I want, I can keep it red. Okay, that is also visible. Or if I want, I can keep it green. You can see. So yes guys, that's it for this short video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be meeting you guys in the next one.